Applying pressure to different parts of your body can really help with muscle relief. In this video, I'm just going to show you a few examples of how you can release all through the legs. So to start off with, just sit at the bottom of your mat and just extend the legs out. Depending on if you've just done exercise or not, this can feel quite intense. Maybe you want to inhale, stretch up, exhale, fold forward, getting a nice hamstring stretch as well. Or maybe you just want to lean back on the arms and work through the legs into the calves and hamstrings. Holding here for as long as you need. Nice. When you're ready to come out, just take the feet either side of the mat and push your hips back. Another one for the glutes is pigeon pose. So taking your hands either side of your acupressure mat, come through your plank, and then bring that right knee across the body all the way out, making sure that foot doesn't land on the spikes. Lengthen out back through that leg. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Depending on your hip flexibility here, this will be more for your calves or maybe your glutes if they're touching the floor. You just inhale here and hold, and then maybe soften down into it. I'd recommend holding for a couple of minutes on your right and left side. I'll just show you how to come out of it and move on to the other leg. So taking the hands either side of the mat, lifting that back knee and pressing into the hands for support, you come back through your plank. Left side, bring that knee in and across, all the way out. Lengthening this time through the right. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down onto the arms. Take a big breath here, softening into it in the upper body. Finding your restorative pigeon pose. Nice. When you're ready, coming all the way up out of it. Lifting into the arms, lifting off that back leg, maybe taking a bit of a downward dog just to release out the legs. And then drop the knees, coming all the way back. So you can use this mat on any parts of your leg that require a little bit of love and attention.